Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Press on is Capture. Now here you can see the option of slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. If you want to enable this, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to enable slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.